So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact way I was able to make this amount of money in just 1 month. As you can see, this is the month of July 1st to 31st, 2023. And I was able to make $154,200 in just 1 month. And all I did was sell a product that is not even mine, and it's called dropshipping. Now I'm going to teach you how I was able to do this so that you can do it for yourself, and you might not get the same result because I have a lot of experience, but you can get something similar. Now imagine when you're making over $10,000 every month from dropshipping. Of course, all this money is not just profits, because there is product cost and there is running cost, there is shipping cost, and there is every other thing that is there. But I mean, I was able to make a huge amount of money as profit from this whole deal. And I'm going to show you the process of how you can do this and start making extra income for yourself. But first thing first, let me go ahead and refresh my screen so that you can see that this is not a screenshot, but a real sales revenue. Now you can see as refreshed. I'm going to refresh it one more time to just clear your doubts. And you can see it. Now, before I go ahead and show you the product that made me this insane amount of money and also how you can replicate the same thing, let me quickly share with you how you can find a winning product yourself. I mean, it's very easy, but it takes a lot of patience. And all you have to do is to go over to your TikTok account. And I know most of us have a TikTok account, and all we use it for is just for entertainment. But people like me, we use it to make money, and I'm going to be teaching you exactly how. And all you have to do is to go over to your TikTok and type in the hashtag TikTok made me buy it. And you're going to see a lot of product that is listed there. Just keep scrolling. If you see any product that you like the product, comment on the product, and share it. Just keep doing this over and over again. Do it for a couple of hours, and then after a couple of days, when you go over to your For You page, you'll start seeing a lot of videos on dropshipping, a lot of products. You can then take your time and search through. The easiest way to know the product that's actually, hot, or the product that people like, is first thing, you need to check the comments, if people are requesting for it, if it has a lot of engagement and stuff like that. And then you can now go over to AliExpress and check on the product to see the reviews and the number of purchases on that particular product. So that way you already know that people actually have interest in this. And that is how I was able to find this product. It's called Hip Hop Grills, and it's amazing that a lot of people are interested to buy it. A lot of people want it. A lot of people want to have that hip hop thing. And I found that out on TikTok, and that was how I was able to create this winning product. And it's sold like wildfire, and currently it's still selling. And by the end of the month, I'm going to post it on my stories on my WhatsApp for people that are on my WhatsApp, and my Instagram stories. If you're not following me, please find the link in the description to follow me for some of these updates, because I micro update, some of my journey and everything I share, so that I can serve as an encouragement and motivation for you. So why did I choose this product? It's very simple. I haven't seen it before. It's not popular, and it's something that most people want to have, because a lot of people really care about how they look and how people perceive them. So they want all this enhancement to appeal better to people. So that is why I went for this product. And there's a lot of product that I also want to try out. And that is why I want to bring you on this journey of dropshipping without money. Now, one thing about dropshipping is that a lot of people, have a way of trying to make money off of people from everything. Now, you don't have to spend a lot of money on dropshipping. Now, what I did when I found this product was very simple. The producers, the people that produce the product, they will always make videos and all that. And so all I did was, put videos together, and I got some TikTok videos of people that have bought it, tested it, and all that. And I matched the videos together, and I compiled it as an advert, and I started running Facebook and Instagram ads, and that was it. Now, the website I connected it to was a Canva website. I've done a tutorial on that, on how you can set up a dropshipping website or an e-commerce website using Canva. You can find the link in the description so that you can watch it after watching this video. It's very important that you watch it so that you can find out how you can create your own dropshipping website without having to pay all those money for hosting and all the rest of them, and the whole technical thing. You can just use your Canva to design the website, and in less than 5 minutes, your website will be up. I'll leave the link in the description. Please don't miss to watch it so that you can learn more about that. And all I did was just design a Canva website, and I then went to namecheap.com and registered the domain name, and then used the name to link to the Canva website. And then for the checkout, I had to now link it to an existing WordPress website that I have. And once I get the order, I then place an order on AliExpress and put in the person's address, the person's phone number, contact details and all that, and it's going to be shipped to the person. Now, if you see this product now, you can see there's nothing here that's indicated that it's from AliExpress. So the person will never know that it's coming from AliExpress. And all you have to do is to just mail it. It comes with the person's address, full address, phone number, and everything. And then there's no indication of where it's coming from, whether it's coming from AliExpress or anywhere. And this is the easiest way to do dropshipping, because people have devised several means to get money off of people that are not well informed about a particular thing, like dropshipping. They say you have to spend $1,000, you have to spend $2,000. There is a lot of people that are currently collecting $1,000 from people to set up a Shopify website for people. You don't need a Shopify website. If you have money for it, then go for it. But I mean, this is something that you're not even sure if it's going to work. And then you're already paying monthly rental. What if you don't make money? What if you don't make profit, right? And that is why I go for Canva website, because I mean, I practice what I preach. I always go for Canva website. Now that we have it, you don't have to pay anything for the hosting. And I had to use my WordPress account because I already have an existing website on WordPress. That's why I had to use it. But if not, I taught a very simple way on how to do the checkout for the Canva website. You can find it in the description. In that video, you're going to find all the details, everything. In fact, I'm going to put in the playlist of how to create a website from start to finish on Canva. I'm going to leave the entire playlist so that you can watch it after watching this video. It's important that you do so, because when you learn the process, you know that you don't have to spend money to start a dropshipping business. You don't have to spend any money. Any money that you're going to spend should go to your promotion, your adverts, to advertise the product so that more people can see it and make a purchase, and then you're going to make money. And the fact that I'm making this video doesn't mean that you should go out there and start looking for this product to sell, because you might not get the same result. But what I'm teaching you in this video is for you to look out for your own product. You will definitely find a winning product for yourself. And once you find that product, please don't go and start paying money on Shopify or anything. Please create your own website on Canva and use that to promote. You might not necessarily even have to pay for advertising. If you don't have the budget, you can do content marketing. And then when you start making money, you can now decide to reinvest that money into advertising so that you can get more people and make more money, and then replicate the same thing over and over again. I think I'm going to be making a full video breaking all these things down step by step. If you want to see that video, let me know in the comment section, and I will take my time and make a video on step by step on how to do this. Now, if you want to start a dropshipping business with zero budget, just like me, then I recommend that you go watch this playlist to learn everything you need to know about Canva website and how to set it up and how to start using it for dropshipping. I have all the information here in this playlist, so go ahead and watch it and then thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.